Panasonic Microwave and the turntable motor that turns the tray on this microwave is starting to make noise. You'll hear it here, a grinding noise. That grinding noise. So that motor underneath is starting to break down, or there's a gear broken or something, making a lot of noise. So we're going to change that motor today underneath. We're going to go step by step, show you how to do it, how to replace that motor, save yourself some money. And we'll just stop the still hear that noise there. So we're going to do the video today. So unplug the microwave and start the step by step how to replace that motor. Microwave is unplugged. Make sure you remove your glass tray and your carousel ring and the coupling. I'm not going to force that. Could be connected below from the motor, so we'll check that out. So we'll turn your microwave on its side, and here is the bottom where the motor is. This cover has not been removed yet, but this whole cover, you see where the tabs are here? It's not touching here and there. This whole cover has to be removed. There's 8 different places here, and you have to cut in between the holes here. This cover will come back out, and these tabs will go into this here, and this will go into here, holding it with a screw. So once you remove all your in between here, all your holes here, that cover will come off. It'll flip right around, be able to put the cover back on. It says here, caution, remove sharp edges after cover removal. So to cut all those between those 2 holes, you're going to need cutters of some sort, and these are just the bigger ones here. I can use my Vampire. These are a smaller. They can get inside easier, inside the holes. It's a little bit bigger. It'll work. But these will get in a little bit more easily, make a better job. So you can use these, or I'm going to use my Vampire ones. There's 8 holes we got to cut in between there to remove the plate. So I'm going to use my Vampire tool. So we'll speed things up here. See how the cover's coming off? There you go. It's off. Here's the connector. I'm just going to mark and make sure that I plug it in the same way. I'll mark it here. And then here. So when I put the new one on, I know the orientation of the wires. I don't know if it matters or not. So there's the 1 screw, and number 2 Phillips screw. I can use a magnetic screwdriver. You want to lose this screw inside the microwave. That just comes out. There's fits into that plastic thing on the inside of the microwave here. So we gotta line this up. Remove the wiring harness. Just start our screwdriver just to start it. There we go. Now I'm gonna put the same one in. Here's the old one there. So we're gonna line up that hole with the new one. One, here's the new one, exactly the same. So check your serial number, and you'll be able to get the proper motor for your microwave. So let's put it back in. We're going to slide it back in, make sure that hole lines up here, and then put it through here, and then slide it into this groove here, down here. Slide it in this groove. Now it's back in. It's held in there. Put our screw to hold it in place. attach our wiring harness. We're all set. Put the cover back on. So it says remove sharp edges after cover plate removed. So it's nice and flush here when we cut it. There's a couple pieces in here that be cut. You don't want to cut your fingers. We're going to use our safety glasses here because these pieces are going to fly. Our safety glasses on. Now we're going to cut these pieces. They're flying. Wow. I think we got them. Hear them fly? Dangerous. Here's some sharp edges here. These broke off evenly. So let's remove them. Put a magnetic tray below, hoping to catch the pieces, but they just flew. Have safety glasses on. Start flying. You definitely need safety glasses. Those pieces flew all over the place. All the sharp edges on the plate as well as the surface here. I'm going to slide these two in here and hook up. I found a small screw to hold the cover plate in place. Slide that through there. Just line this up. Small little screw here. Hold that cover plate in. You're done. This coupling we didn't take off, we just lined it up inside. Put your carousel ring back in. Put your plate back in. Make sure you line up grooves there. Coupling, there we go. Let's plug it in and try it out. Plug the microwave back in, set the clock. 3:08. Now we started this video about 1:18. Doesn't take that long to change out the motor. It only takes about 20 minutes, but it took me a couple hours to actually do the video. So let's heat some coffee up here. New motor installed. And it's working fine here. So please subscribe to my channel. It doesn't cost you a thing. It helps grow my channel. I'm up to 9,003 now. I'd like to get that 10,000 for the end of the year. So please help me out and subscribe to my channel. Please share my video. I'd like to thank all my subscribers. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video today. Have a great one, people. Take care. Nice and hot.